Okay, welcome to topic 2 of the career counseling module, which is exploration of career options or exploring career options. So right after self-assessment, the information we collected from self-assessment is to create the so-called individual professional profile. So we are going to use your individual professional profile or your individual career profile to propose some jobs for you, or to propose some business for you. Yeah. So career exploration is about proposing and recommending jobs to one's career profile, and we mean in relation to one's hobbies, interests, passions, skills, and so on and so on. Yeah. So it's proposing or recommending different career options to people according to their skills, hobbies, interests, passions, education, experience, and so on and so on. Yeah. And remember, we said self-assessment importance is to sell yourself better to the employers. So same applies to exploration of career options. So you will go for the jobs or career parallel or in relation to your passions, hobbies, and interests, so that you can sell yourself better. Yeah. So why is it important to do career explorations? So one is you will make a better career decisions. Second, you will know where to apply for a job and how to apply for the job. And for different jobs or career options, you will know the qualification needed, the education level needed, the kind of training needed. Also, career exploration process, it will give you information which you need to develop and grow your career. The people you need to network with or contact with, relevant people to support your career development and growth. Also, the kinds of jobs which are trending nowadays, yeah, in your environment. Yeah, so it's very important to explore career, because it gives you options. I will give you an example. One of the classes I had career counseling training in one of the university, and I remember the student we are studying bachelor degree in English language, and the majority out of 30 students, I think 28 or 27, they were thinking of becoming English teachers after graduation. However, after my training, I had to tell them, yes, you have bachelor degree in English language, but it does not mean you are only going to be an English teacher. So I had to share with them options. As an English language student, what kind of career options or jobs they can go for. So they were like, oh, no way, we have never heard about this, we never thought about it, thank you so much, actually you have opened our eyes. So I told them, it's fine, you have bachelor degree, or you're going to graduate your bachelor degree in English language, yes. And one option you have, career option you have, is to be an English teacher, yes. But what about being a reporter or a journalist? Yeah. What about being an interpreter? Yeah. Or we call them translator. Yeah. What about being working with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs? You see, as a language person. Yeah, the linguist people. Yeah. But you can also work as an MC, master of ceremony. Yeah. You can also run your own school or university or college. Yeah. You can do you can work for social work in different schools or university or college, or different projects for the social work, helping people in needs, like girls' child, ending child marriage kind of a project. SRH, sexual and reproductive health kind of project, and so on and so on. Yeah, so I gave them, I remember I gave them more than 10 options, and they were like, they never thought of it. Like, everyone was thinking of becoming an English teacher. So that's an advantage of exploring career choice options. So you're going to have, although I studied a Bachelor of Commerce and a Management degree, although I studied a Master's of Human Resources degree, although I studied accounting, so am I supposed to think only on being an accounting or accountant, or there is more options for that? So that's the benefit of doing exploration of career options. So it is about long listing and short listing of career options to people, and in relation to their hobbies, skills, interests, passion, education level, the experience they have, the skills they have, the success and achievement from their previous employment or from school. Yeah, so it's long listing and short listing of career options to different people in relation to their individual career profile. Yeah, so how can you now explore career options? Step number one, start with yourself. Like, what do you want in your career, and what do you have? Then research viable career options. Then eliminate careers that are not appealing. Then speak to others in the field. Then get involved at the workplace. And the last one, revisit your choice and make final decision. So I'm going to explain one after another. One is start with yourself. So consider your interests and skills and hobbies and passions before making career decision. Yeah. So think of the short-term project you have done. Think about when you went for volunteering or for internship or during the field practical training. Yeah. So that kind of experience you got. Yeah. So consider it. Will you like to work in the same work environment, working with the same people, and will you be happy with that kind of job or position? Yeah. So ask yourself in terms of hobbies, skills, interests, passions, and the short experience you have had as an intern or volunteer, or when you went for practical training or field attachment. Then second, research viable career options from the market. Now go to different companies' website and look for the commonly advertised jobs. Go to recruitment agencies' website for the commonly advertised jobs. And if you find the careers of your choice or jobs of your choice, try to look at the experience that they are looking for, the skills they are looking for, the kind of education they are looking for. Yeah, so research viable career options, and then make a list, document all the career options, all jobs you will hear from people. Then after the long list, then you come back and sit down. So after my studies, so these are the kind of the career options I have. So which one are more appealing to me, and which one I'm not interested with them? Yeah. So maybe you have 10 options or 15 or 20 options. Now you will say this one, yeah, it's in relation to my interest. This one, no. This one, yes. This one, no. This one, yes. This one, no. Yeah. So eliminate the careers which are not appealing, which are not in line with your interests, hobbies, passions, your dreams, your ambitions. Yeah. Then the third step is speak to others in the field. Talk to others in the field. People who are working the same profession like yours, or the profession you aspire to pursue. Talk to people who are experienced, senior people, professionals. Share your dreams and ambitions and your wishes in terms of your career development and growth, and see what they will tell you. Yeah, so they will tell you, yeah, in this kind of industrial sector, people of this caliber are the most welcomed. This one, no, maybe you will struggle. So you need this kind of qualification, you need this kind of motivation, energy. You need to network with this kind of people. Yeah, you need this level of of experience. You need this level of education, and so on and so on. So Speak to other people in the field who are more experienced than you. They can provide you with career information. Then if you are employed, also talk to your manager. If you're employed, talk to your colleague. Share with them your career aspirations and see what they will advise you. The way they see you, the way they have worked with you before, so they will automatically know Mount Damas, or I think, will make a successful career in this kind of coaching or counseling, rather than being an accountant or a lawyer, something like that. Yeah. So speak with other people in the field, your fellow employees, and also the people from the same profession. After talking to them, then you will receive additional information or new information. Though revisit again your choices. Now go back, look at the list, you have the career options you have, then revisit your choices again. So based on the new information you received, so which jobs you can still consider and which one you can just cancel it. Yeah. So revisit your choices again and make final decisions. Out of 10, maybe you will say I may pursue 2 or 3 career options only. Yeah. Then let's talk about the common tips on how you can explore career options. Yeah. Tips for career exploration. So how can you explore career options? Number 1, regularly engage yourself in career exploration, because it is a continuous process. Yeah. Number 2, keep your CV or resume updated. Number 3, be open to a manager or supervisor for support. Number 4, make a list of your transferable skills, the soft skills. And number 5, write down your success and achievement to date and update it on your resume. So let's start with number 1. Career exploration is a continuous process. Yeah. So why is it a continuous process? It is because of the world is really changing. The employment or the workplace is changing. The work environment is changing like every day, and a lot of jobs or careers are becoming obsolete, like they are disappearing, useless. Yeah, because of science and technology. Some jobs are being merged into one, and also some jobs or career are emerging, like they are created according to the science and technology, especially the digital world, like the software development, the ICT, the artificial intelligence. Yeah. So you have to update yourself every day on what is happening in your career, what are the new information there, what are the new jobs there, what kind of jobs are not there in the market nowadays. Yeah. Then second tip is regularly update your CV. Keep your CV updated. Keep your resume updated. So if you change your contact number or your phone number, update your CV. If you did a master's degree and now you have it, update your CV. If you change your employer, update your CV. If you change your referees, update your CV. If you have just achieved a new success or milestone, just update your CV. If you just developed a new skills, update your CV. If you just went for a short course training, update your CV. So make sure your resume is always updated, because you don't know what time you will get in contact with the new opportunities from different people, and you will be supposed to just drop your CV right away. Yeah, just submit your CV right now. You don't need to say, please wait for tomorrow or after 2 days because I'm busy, I need to update it. No, always make sure your CV is ready, your resume is ready. Then I said, talk to a manager. Share with your manager your career aspirations and ambitions, because they're in a position to recommend some additional training for you. They're in a position for salary increment. They're in a position for promoting you. Yeah. So there is a lot of information they have. If you will share with them your career aspiration, then they'll be in a position to help you or to support you. Yeah. So of the most important is Make sure you have a good relationship with your manager, with your supervisor. That's very important, always, very important. So I know some of the managers, supervisors, they are mean, they're jealous, but depends on how you guys are related, yeah? So make sure you have a good relationship with your manager, supervisor, and share with them your career aspirations and ambitions so that they can support you, whether for paying for training or workshop or seminar, attending workshop or seminar, or it's salary increment or promotion or whatever, or connecting you with his or her network as well for more opportunities, yeah? So that's very important. Then make a list of your soft skills or transferable skills. Remember I said during self-assessment, transferable skills, they applied throughout different careers, and you need them, like communication skills, listening, negotiation skills, conflict resolution, stress management, emotional intelligence, and so on and so on. So make a list of the soft skills or transferable skills you are conversant in. Second, the one which are relevant to a particular job or position or career. That's very important. And lastly is write down your achievement, write down your success. So whenever you achieve anything, whenever you reach any milestone in your career or business, please write it down and put it in your CV, or put it in a job application letter or cover letter, because remember I said your unique skills and the talent and the success and achievement are the ones which are going to sell you when you're looking for a job or business opportunity, are the ones which are going to differentiate you from competitors or from other job seekers. Yeah, so write down your success and achievement, put them on your CV or resume, put them in your cover letter. They are going to sell you. And when you go for an interview, always put them first. Yes, whenever they ask you, tell us about yourself, start with your success and achievement. Talk about your competence, talk about your skills, not about the education you have, the how many years of experience you have. No, start with the success and achievement, the skills you are good at, competencies you are good at. Yeah, that one will be excellent approach. Now, allow me to share with you some career options for different professions. Yeah, career options for different professions. So if you have a diploma or bachelor degree or master's in whatever, so what are the available career options or job options for your profession? That is approach number one. But approach number two, career options or business options for people who have never gone to school, for people who have no bachelor degree or diploma or master's degree, but they have technical skills. Yeah, like the mechanics and technicians people. Yeah, they are very good at technical skills, how to do things like build the house, do furniture, carpentry. You see, so for this one, you need to recommend or propose career options based on what they are good at, based on the technical skills they are good at. So if they are good at building or engineering, mechanics, technician, so you can recommend based on their skills, so not necessarily based on their education level. Yeah, so my career options from this training is more on the professional people with the diploma, bachelor degree, and masters. But for those who have not gone to school, they don't have bachelor degree or diploma or masters, you can recommend career options based on what are they good at in terms of the skills, and from the social economic activities which are available in their work environment. So let us start. So career options for finance and accounting. So if you have a diploma or bachelor degree or master's degree in accounting and finance, so you can work as a cashier or bookkeeper. You can work as an accountant, payables, accounting receivables. You can work as a financial controller. You can work as a financial analyst. You can work as a finance manager or accounting manager. You can work as a CFO, Chief Finance Officer, or Director of Finance and Accounting. Sometimes they merge, Director of Finance and Admin. Yeah, you can also work as a CEO, Chief Executive Officer, or MD, Managing Director. But you can also work as an auditor or consultant, or business owner, or as an entrepreneur in finance and accounting. But also you can do teaching or tutoring at the university, or like lecturing at the university, or you can write your books. Yeah. So those are examples of the career options for accounting and finance people. But also auditors, internal auditors and external auditors as well. Yeah. Then career options for law and justice, for the legal personnel. So you can work as a legal officer for government, you can work as a state attorney for the government, you can work as a private advocate of the High Court, you can work as an advocate for the government, you can work as a prosecutor for the government, so you can work at the primary court or primary tribunal as a magistrate, then resident magistrate, then senior magistrate, then judges, and so on and so on. But also as a legal advisor or legal consultant for different companies, or director of corporate affairs of an international company, or company secretary of a company. Yeah. Also as a teacher or tutor or lecturer at the university on law or legal matters, and as a mediator, arbitrator, or solicitor. Yeah, those are the career options or job options for legal personnel. Then for economics and the statistics people, so if we went for a diploma or bachelor degree or masters in economics or statistics, sometimes they merge it with mathematics. So it is economics, statistics, and mathematics into one. Yeah, so you can work as a researcher, you can work as a statistician, you can work as a economic analyst, you can work as an economist, you can work as an advisor or consultant, you can work as a teacher or lecturer or tutor, you can write books, you can work with the media as a subject matter specialist or expert, you can start your own company, business owner, you can work as an advisor or consultant, you can write books, articles, journals, and so on and so on. Yeah. So that's for economics, mathematics, and statistics. For education field or industry, for education, so you have let's say diploma, bachelor degree, or master's degree in education, or with education, or in a certain subject. Yeah. So what kind of career options are there for you? So as I said, you can be a school owner or college owner, you can work as a principal of the school or university, you can work as a faculty dean, you can work as a teacher, tutor, or lecturer, you can write books, journals, and articles, you can work for the media as a journalist or reporter. Yeah. You can write books, you can do social media nowadays, like there is a social media communication or promotion and awareness, whatever. You can work as a linguist or translator or interpreter. Yeah. Political leader. Remember, politicians or political leaders not necessarily to come from political science, not necessarily to have a bachelor degree or master's degree in political science or political policies or whatever. No. So any profession or any education background people can become politicians or political leaders. Yeah. Then career options for medicine or health sector or medical sector. So you can be a medical doctor, like a GP, general practitioner. You can be a medical doctor, like a specialist, like a neurologist, psychiatric, cardiologist, gynecologist, the ENT specialist or ENT surgeon. Yeah, you can be a medical doctor, but with a specialty. You can work for the pharmacy, you can work for the laboratory. Yeah, you can be an advisor or consultant. You can work for the media, writing journals or articles or books about health or medical issues. Yeah, also teachers or lecturers or tutor. Yeah, that's for medical field or health field. Then career options for general management or general administration. Yeah, so you went for bachelor degree in general management or general public administration or business administration or business management or general management. So you can work for human resource department, you can work for procurement and supplies management, you can work for logistics, you can be a business owner or entrepreneur, you can work as a consultant or advisor, you can do like a general operations staff to an organization. Nowadays in international organization, you'll be an operation manager, but the finance is under you, the procurement is under you, and the human resources is under you, the ICT is under you, all the security is under you. Also, you can be a logistics manager or director in international organization, and you can see like security, transport, biomed, Watson, and everything is under you. Yeah. Also, as a consultant, also as a business owner or manager, but you can specialize. Yes, you have a bachelor degree or master's degree in general management or leadership or administration, but you can specialize in accounting or finance or marketing or human resource or supplies management or procurement and so on, or ICT. Yeah. Then lastly is to be a politician or political leader. Then another career options for farming, agriculture. Yeah, farming or agriculture. So you can be a farmer, you do the actual farming. You can do agribusiness, you buy and sell crops or agricultural products. You can be a teacher, tutor, or lecturer on agriculture or farming sector or subject or causes. You can also be an advisor or consultant on agricultural issues. You can work with the media as journalist or reporter on agriculture issues. You become subject matter expert, subject matter specialist or expert. You advise the media on issues relating to agriculture and farming. You can write books, articles and journals. You can be political leaders and so on and so on. Yeah, that's for farming and agriculture. You can also work as how do they call it? At the village level, they are calling them agriculture extension officer, or they are called extension officers. Yeah. Then career options for poultry and animal keeping. Career options for poultry and animal keeping. So we have veterinarians, we have teachers and tutors, we have business owners or entrepreneurs, like buying and selling animal products like meat, milk, eggs, and so on and so on. So you can do dairy farming, you can be producing milk and selling milk and milky products like cheese and so on, butter and so on and so forth. Consultant and advisor, working for the media as an expert in animal keeping and livestock keeping and so on and so on. Now, so you can see from each profession there is more than 5 or 7 or 10 career options. But as a career counselor or career coach, you need to come with factors to be considered before making career decisions. So we call them shortlisting criteria. So it's a list of factors which, when are considered, people can support all people to make career decisions. Yeah. So we call them shortlisting criteria. And remember, I said career exploration is about long listing and shortlisting of career options. So it's long listing and shortlisting of career options. So let's say, or let's put it this way. So now you have like 10 career options. So how are you going to shortlist them? How are you going to make career decision that I'm only interested only 2 career options? I'm going to develop and grow my career in 2 areas. So the factors to consider. Number 1 is about the pay, the remuneration, the profit, the income you will generate from that profession or from that business. So it's the market pay level. high-paying jobs or less-paying jobs. Second is opportunities for career growth or development. For some jobs, you can climb the career ladder or the career path, or nowadays they call it career lattice. Yeah, so you can diagonally, vertically, horizontally. So that's the movement, the workforce planning, the workforce movement. So opportunities for career growth or career development. So if I will work in this kind of job or position or profession, so as an assistant, there can I move forward as an officer, senior officer, manager, senior manager, associate director, full director, CEO, MD, or there is no such kind of opportunity. Yeah. Then criteria number 3 or factor number 3 is if I'm interested to be an entrepreneur in the long run, business owner in the long run, will this career choice of mine prepare me to become an entrepreneur, business owner? Like having the skills needed to run or manage my own company or my business. Because remember, one is about knowing the business, second is how to do the business. Knowing, having the information, having the knowledge about the business and how to do the business, how to trade, how to sell. So will this kind of profession prepare me to be a business owner? So if I'm working as a state attorney or prosecutor or as a private legal person, so will I be able one day to have my own legal firm or consulting firm or my own schools or college or university or my own restaurant or hotel? Yeah. Criteria number 4 or factor number 4 is if you have interest to work abroad, preparing you to work abroad, preparing you to work outside your country. So what kind of profession or jobs is easier to migrate outside your country? That's easier to get a job outside your country because you have interest to work outside your country. Number 5 is jobs or profession with great impact to the community. You have helpers personality. You are interested in helping a lot of people, touching a lot of people's lives. So will this kind of jobs or career options give me opportunity to serve a lot of people, to reach a lot of people, to bring impact to the big number of people? Number 6 is careers or jobs with connection. Maybe your family is influential. Maybe your parents have their own company. So it's a question of just graduating and go and work in a family company or family business. Or your parents are connected, your friends and relatives are connected. So you'll make career choice or career decision based on the promised job or employment opportunities or business opportunities outside there. Then number 7, according to the market trends or global trends. So what are the highly employing sector nowadays? What are the newly created jobs or careers options nowadays? I will give an example for AI, artificial intelligence, the social media, the digitalization, the digital world. Yeah. So what are the new jobs there? So these are the careers or jobs options according to the global trend, according to the labor market. Yeah. And lastly is if you have interest to work with the government, your passion and the interest is to be a public servant, public service. Yeah. As a political person or professional or technical person within the government system. So maybe you want to work with the government or to work for the government as a public servant or in a public service commission. Yeah. So those are the 8 factors you need to consider them during the process of making decisions in terms of the careers you can go for. So in the first place, you considered your self-assessment profile. Then you made a long list and a short list of your career options, and then you consider the factors I shared to help you to make decisions in terms of the career you can go for. Okay, thank you so much, and that comes to the end of our topic 2. Thank you.